Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you tired of loose change collecting on every countertop in your home? Well, I was, and I wanted something really cute to put it in so that I could have a nice little accent but still have a tidy countertop. I found this absolutely adorable cat bank from NIGOWAYS. Not only is this cat bank simply adorable, but of course it's very functional for holding all your coins, and it's basically indestructible. I threw it on the floor several different times, no dents, no dings, no scratches. It looks great. I love that you can put multiple coins in at the same time. You can see that it fits 2 nickels side by side. And the cap on the bottom to get the coins out is really secure. You turn it, and then I just use my fingernail to kind of pry it up, and then it comes out. And of course you can shake the coins to get them to come out, but they're not just gonna fall out on their own. This would make such a cute gift, not just for a kid, but someone like myself who loves cats, and that's my point of view.